Hey guys, welcome back to TVL Designs. It is me, and I am here to share a video of me canning my chicken soup. I think I did not do this video, or upload this video rather, because I did not show the debubbling part, but I'm going to upload it anyway. And as you can see, I have all of my utensils in front of me, and yeah, we about to can some chicken soup. And I think I shared something up here about my soup. But anyway, I'm going to use my ladle and I'm going to start adding the soup. Now, with this soup, I think I should have had a little bit more broth or whatever to go with it. And again, this one is quite meaty. So, yeah. Anyway, so like I said, I'm going to add this one. And normally, what you would do after doing this, you would of course finish all your jars and then you would debubble. So again, I did not show that part, so please don't forget that part, okay? Because I had to go back and take all of them out, debubble them before I could put them in. Yeah, it was a whole thing. And I think I made so much soup that I had like 2 of these plastic containers of it, and I just add some of the juices. Now, the containers that I'm using are kind of big, and next time I will probably use something much smaller to make it a little bit more of a smaller serving portion. But this is great if you need like 2 people to eat off them. So I have my white vinegar and I'm cleaning the top, and then I'm going to add my lids, and they're going to be fingertip tight. So again, I'm going to add them, and that's that. And I probably just go ahead and sit them in my canner because if I'm not mistaken, they weren't warm. So with my canner instructions, I only needed about 3 inches of water in there. So check your canner instructions. So here I am adding the other container of soup to the jars, repeating the same step. And yeah, when I get to the bottom, of course, I'm going to add some of those juices and things of that nature. I think I was able to make probably about 5 or 6 of these jars. I'm not sure. But again, these are great. They can go over rice, or you can just eat them as is with some crackers. I think in my other video, I recommended adding some more vegetables because I did make these quite meaty. And again, I went back and used all of the juices that I had left over from the broth and pretty much just added it in each jar. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I did about a inch head space. And I have a very tiny space to prep with. So, guys, please use whatever space you have. It can be done, okay? I don't have a big chef's kitchen or anything yet, but prep wherever you are. Anyway, I'm cleaning them off. I'm using a paper towel with some white vinegar to clean it off really good. Get any kind of oil or fat that could have, fell up there while I was transferring the soup. And then, of course, put your lids fingertip tight. So I have about 1, 2, 3, maybe about 5 of these. So again, my pot is cold, my soup is cold, and everything is going to heat up together for this project, okay? I do take my ring off and oil it every 2 to 3 times that I use it. And I pretty much just use whatever oil I have in my kitchen. A lot of the time I use grapeseed oil, corn oil, whatever oil I have, okay? Then I put it back up there so I can use it. And of course, I'm wiping my hands because it can get a little messy. And I make sure I inspect my top, make sure everything is in working condition, and then I add it on. Now, of course, with this machine, you have to line it up and then twist it on. And as you can see, I have my gauge. Everything is working and ready to go. So I pretty much turn my machine on and I let it heat up. And once I get a continuous amount of steam, I let it steam for about 10 minutes. And then after that 10 minutes, I add my pressure gauge because for my altitude, 10 minutes is pretty good for it to start. And I pressure canned these for, I think it was 90 minutes. I did everything for 90 minutes. And again, I pretty much wait for it to steam because you can see I didn't add my thing yet. But now it's steaming. Oh, excuse me. Dropped it. So I put it on. I took my mitt because I think I was kind of really, really early then and kind of nervous. So again, it's heating up and it's working. So what I do is you can see the gauge. I let it cool down before taking anything out. I let everything go to 0. And then sometimes I just let it sit overnight, honestly. And everything is cool to the touch, as you can see. And this particular day, I did 2 different things, I think. I did the soup, and then I had some stew that I had already cooked. So that's why the cans look pretty different when I'm taking them out. But anyway, I did half and half, so yeah. And that's the chicken right there. That's the chicken soup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to can use some food. Okay?